So Terry, you got some cracker bikes coming up this month at Grays Online. We just looked at the Duke. Now this one here, this is an RD, I'm not as up on these as you are. I remember the RD400s, they were the predecessor to these, weren't they?
That was the predecessor.
Yep.
They were sort of late 70s.
Yep.
In the RD in the 400 series.
Yep.
This is an RD350 and
Yep.
they also did do a 250 in the LC.
Okay, so this is an Australian bike?
This is an Australian delivered bike.
Yep.
They were built for the world market.
Yep.
The 250 tended to run the white with the red, the 350 with the blue.
With the blue. Now this has had looks like it's had a full resto.
This bike has had a complete restoration, nut and bolt, and they have not missed a thing on it. It presents exceptionally well. It starts, runs well, rides well. It's
got all the original switch heads still on it, all that sort of stuff?
Switch blocks, everything is spot on, 29,000 Ks. The motor's been rebuilt in it, right down to the bearings. Like I say, they have not missed a bit, and it's just a cracker of a bike.
You've got receipts with this bike?
We have the receipts to back up a full restro on it. I've got some notes which we'll put into their post as well with everything that's been done.
Rightio. So another good bike coming up here at Grays Online. This is a great example. These were a ripper bike back in the day, and they had a special noise about them, these little two-stroke small bore bikes.
Yeah, running the original pipes.
Those pipes are the original pipes on this bike. They haven't been replaced. Great little rider's bike. Like I remember all the young blokes when they first got their licence used to grab an RD350 or a 400 and just go crazy on them.
I've got to tell you, the first bike I kicked off when I could legally ride on the road was a 350 Yamaha R5.
Yeah.
I'm going back a bit.
Yeah.
No. The model stayed and kicked on from there with its alterations, but the LC you don't see a great deal of them around. They're
you don't.
sought after. They've been collectible for some time, but when they pop up like this, they're definitely worth having.
Worth having a look at, worth having a grab.
Yep.
So it's coming up this month at Grays Online. You know the number, 1300 Classic. Give us a call or shoot us an email to classic@grays.com.au. But another classic bike coming up this month, Grays Online.